Hello guys and welcome back to another episode. So today we're heading to Dubai Mall because a new theatre gallery art experience thing has just opened up. It's going to be similar to the one I went to in Madinat a couple months ago now, which you can click up here and see, but this time it should be a lot better because I think it's the proper production company that are doing it. But first I have to walk around Dubai Mall looking a bit crazy, carrying my shoes. I'll explain. So I've worn my Balenciagas so much that I've completely destroyed the back of them, so I'm taking them to Levels to a shop called Cobblers who can apparently fix them for 100 dirham. You see here, this has all come away and it's very thin. Can anyone do anything? Famous restaurant from Saudi that's just opened a couple days ago and the queues are insane. We were going to try it but not today. Thank you. Wow, this stuff looks amazing. All of this for 36 dirham. 2 large fries, shawarma, burger. This is amazing. It's like 15 dirham for a shawarma, chips and a drink. And it tastes amazing. But now we need to get going to the actual place because our tickets start in 10 minutes. Let's go. Feel every moment. This is where we're going, Infinity des Lumières. We've made it. It takes up like the whole size, the same as Galeries Lafayette. Infinity des Lumières, blah blah. So this company's done quite a few of these things before, and funny story about the Van Gogh one is I actually went to Amsterdam where this used to be, paid 30 euros to go and see this show, and it wasn't even on anymore, it had finished, so it was quite embarrassing. This one? Wow, so weird. Oh, okay. It's a bit dark. I think it's just about to start. We made it. The floor blends completely with the walls. It's really nice. What? What does verse mean? My favourite thing about this one is everything's a bit more 3D, like you've got staircases and some of the walls are like twisted and it makes the projection a lot more effective instead of just flat walls like the last one. It was a dark and stormy night in Dubai and the floor was turning into water. This is really cool actually. You seen the teardrop, like raindrops on the floor. This is really cool. Oh. the back here, it gives you some information of the artists that they put on display here. I think it's a lot of the classic stuff like Van Gogh. I think they've got the Japanese stuff as well, which is really cool. I really like this artwork. There's a couple of little rooms you can go in as well in the middle, like this. This place is actually pretty big. I don't know if you can even hear me. Is it a hallway? What the f***? This is freaking me out. Oh my god. This is the most confusing room I've ever been in. I thought it was just a mirror. Oh my god. Hello. I've been wanting to know what these doors are about there. Nope, it doesn't open, it doesn't open. Best place to get your gram. Okay, there's other rooms to it. This is like a little private cinema. I feel quite comfy actually. Oh, they're bouncy. I really like this stuff. This is really trippy. Whoa! Oh my god! These chairs are a bit funky, aren't they? Made of brand. So we just sat through the Van Gogh one, which was about 25 minutes, and up next is the Dreamed Japan one, which I think is going to have my favourite stuff in it, which is in 2 minutes. So I think they sort of do a show, pause, because your ticket's valid for an hour. No one's checking how long you've been here for, but I think after an hour you would have had enough. We also went to this really cool little room, which had like really trippy graphics going on, and it was a really small room with mirrors, so it all reflected everywhere. That was amazing, like really good. Also, what's really cool about here is they have a couple of little rooms where they have their own projection mapping, like a big circle one, and there's also another room where it's just projected on the ceiling and everything else is mirrors. So when you take this picture, like here, it looks crazy. This is insane. This is literally like what I wanted. This is amazing. Look at the floor moving. Wow. Whoa! Whoa! We're going overboard! Whoa! That was really cool. That was a really cool little like ad type thing, which was more modern instead of all these old paintings and stuff, like the Dubai skylines. That was really good. That might have been my favourite one, but it was only like 2 minutes. after going there, we've just come to Paul for a little bit of dessert, and I thought I'd run you through what it was like. I think it was much better than the one that's in Madinat, which is the Theatre of Digital Art, because it's on the floor and it's got these sort of interactive rooms. It is a little bit more expensive at 100 dirham each, but you sort of have unlimited time in there, and it's a really good experience. We were there on the opening night and it was fairly busy, but still quiet enough so you could get your pictures and stuff. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, all of that stuff, and I'll see you in the next